If there's one thing we can say about Kylie, it's that she sure knows how to commit. If you really stop and think about it, or if you just have at least an average sense of perception, Kylie Jenner probably hasn't taken anything in her life as seriously as she has taken turning 18. It's like she was just waiting so eagerly for her 18th birthday, the day that a whole new world would be awaiting her, a world where it's totally acceptable to flaunt every single curve your body has to offer. A world where you can be free to be yourself, even if a large part of yourself seems to be attached to your chest. A world where you can get tattoos. Guys, Kylie got a tattoo. It's a tiny little thing. It's actually in that photo up there, if you can look past that massive side boob to notice. That mark on her arm there? It's a little red heart tattoo. How cute, right? It almost makes her look sweet and innocent. You know, if her entire boob wasn't hanging out,